Apple might be gearing up for one of its most daring launches yet with the rumored iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-slim device is said to replace the Plus model in their lineup, a move that raises questions and eyebrows alike. Why is Apple, a company known for dominating the tech world, making such a dramatic shift? The journey to this point has been full of experiments. Apple first introduced the iPhone mini, a compact device aimed at those wanting a smaller smartphone without compromising on power. While it had its dedicated fans, sales figures didn't live up to Apple's expectations. The company then shifted to the Plus model, designed for users craving a larger screen without the Pro price tag. But even this failed to capture the attention Apple had hoped for. Now, rumors suggest Apple is turning to a radically different strategy, a slimmed-down model possibly named the iPhone 17 Air. What's inspiring this change? The answer might lie in Apple's success with its MacBook Air and iPad Air. These products have carved out a niche by offering a perfect balance of price, performance, and portability. They appeal to users who want something more than the basic model but aren't ready to splurge on the premium versions. If this formula has worked so well for laptops and tablets, it seems logical for Apple to try applying it to their iPhone lineup. But smartphones are a different beast. Where laptops and tablets can prioritize slim designs, phone buyers often place a higher value on features like powerful cameras, extended battery life, and overall durability. And this is where the iPhone 17 Air might face its biggest challenge. According to leaks, the new model could come with a single rear camera. For a company whose phones have redefined mobile photography, this seems like a curious choice. Will consumers be willing to trade camera versatility for a sleeker design? Another concern is whether a thinner phone could compromise battery performance. While Apple has made significant strides in battery efficiency, a slim profile might limit the size of the battery itself. For heavy users who rely on their phones throughout the day, this could be a deal-breaker. Despite these challenges, Apple's track record suggests they aren't afraid to take risks. The company has a history of defying expectations and pushing boundaries. When the MacBook Air was first introduced, many doubted it could succeed in a world dominated by powerful, bulky laptops. But Apple proved the skeptics wrong, creating a product that set the standard for portable computing. If the iPhone 17 Air follows the same path, it could redefine what users expect from a mid-tier smartphone. It might not only fill the gap in Apple's current lineup, but also pave the way for future innovations. After all, Apple is reportedly working on even more ambitious projects, including a foldable iPhone that could debut in the coming years. For now, the iPhone 17 Air remains a mystery, but one thing is clear. It signals Apple's determination to evolve and adapt. Whether it becomes a hit or a lesson learned, this model could mark a turning point in how Apple approaches its iPhone lineup. What do you think? Is Apple onto something groundbreaking with this slimmed-down device, or could it risk alienating loyal fans? Either way, the tech world will be watching closely as Apple's next big launch approaches. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.